What if one of the healthiest foods for adults over 50 isn't an expensive supplement or an exotic superfood, but a simple herb sitting quietly in your kitchen? What if this fresh green herb could support healthy blood sugar, promote heart health, aid digestion, help maintain a healthy urinary tract, and provide important antioxidants for healthy aging? The herb we're talking about is cilantro, also known as fresh coriander leaves. Some people love its fresh, citrus-like flavor, while others simply use it as a garnish. But cilantro is much more than a decorative herb. For centuries, it has been used in traditional cuisines across Asia, the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and Latin America. Ancient cultures appreciated cilantro not only for its taste but also for its nutritional value. Today, researchers continue to study cilantro because it contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds that may contribute to overall wellness. If you're over 50, maintaining healthy blood sugar, protecting your heart, supporting digestion, and staying active become increasingly important. That's exactly why cilantro deserves a closer look. But before we begin, let's clear up one important myth. Cilantro is not a miracle cure. It cannot cure diabetes, eliminate anxiety overnight, prevent infections, or protect against cancer by itself. However, when combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, cilantro may offer several interesting health benefits. Let's discover what this magical herb may do for your body. May help support healthy blood sugar. One of the most fascinating areas of cilantro research involves healthy blood sugar management. As we age, maintaining stable blood sugar becomes increasingly important because healthy glucose levels support energy, heart health, and overall wellness. Researchers have identified natural plant compounds in cilantro that may help support the body's normal glucose metabolism. Some early studies suggest these compounds may encourage healthy insulin activity and help maintain blood sugar already within the normal range. Of course, cilantro works best alongside other healthy habits. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, eating plenty of fiber-rich foods, and following your healthcare provider's advice remain the foundation of healthy blood sugar management. Perhaps the biggest advantage of cilantro is that it encourages healthy eating. Fresh herbs make vegetables, salads, soups, and wholesome meals more enjoyable, helping people choose nutritious foods more often. May promote heart health. Your heart never takes a day off. It beats around 100,000 times every day, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. As we grow older, protecting heart health becomes one of the most important investments we can make. Cilantro contains antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that researchers continue to study for their role in cardiovascular wellness. Some research suggests cilantro may help support healthy cholesterol levels already within the normal range. Scientists are particularly interested in its possible effects on maintaining a healthy balance between different blood lipids. Cilantro also provides potassium, a mineral that supports normal blood pressure and healthy muscle function. Combined with a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, beans, fish, whole grains, and healthy fats, cilantro becomes another flavorful ingredient that supports a heart-friendly lifestyle. May help you feel calmer. Life after 50 often comes with new responsibilities and stresses. Retirement planning, family commitments, and everyday challenges can affect emotional well-being. Traditional herbal practices have included cilantro in nourishing meals for generations. Researchers continue studying natural compounds found in cilantro because of their possible role in supporting the nervous system. Of course, cilantro cannot replace proper medical care for anxiety or stress-related conditions. Quality sleep, physical activity, social connections, relaxation techniques, and a nutritious diet remain essential for emotional wellness. Adding fresh herbs like cilantro to balanced meals simply becomes another healthy habit that supports overall well-being. Supporting healthy digestion. One of cilantro's oldest traditional uses involves digestion. Fresh cilantro adds flavor while providing fiber and natural plant compounds that may contribute to digestive wellness. Healthy digestion allows the body to absorb nutrients efficiently and supports overall health. Many people enjoy cilantro in soups, salads, rice dishes, vegetable recipes, and homemade salsa because it transforms simple ingredients into delicious meals. Perhaps cilantro's greatest digestive benefit is encouraging healthier eating habits. When wholesome foods taste better, people naturally eat more vegetables and home-cooked meals. May support urinary tract wellness. Another traditional use of cilantro involves urinary health. Proper hydration remains one of the most important factors for maintaining a healthy urinary tract. Fresh herbs and vegetables that contribute to a balanced diet may also support overall hydration and wellness. While cilantro should never replace medical treatment for urinary tract infections, adding fresh herbs to nutritious meals may contribute to a healthy lifestyle that supports urinary health. If symptoms such as pain, fever, or burning during urination occur, prompt medical attention is important. Rich in antioxidants. Every day, our bodies face oxidative stress from normal metabolism and environmental factors. Cilantro contains vitamin C, carotenoids, and other antioxidant compounds that help protect cells from everyday oxidative damage. Antioxidant-rich foods are associated with healthy aging because they support overall cellular health. Although no single food can stop aging, including colorful herbs, fruits, and vegetables in your diet helps provide beneficial nutrients that support long-term wellness. May support colon health. Researchers continue studying how diets rich in herbs, vegetables, fiber, and antioxidants contribute to digestive and colon health. Cilantro fits naturally into this type of eating pattern. However, it's important to avoid exaggerated claims. Cilantro cannot prevent or cure colon cancer. Maintaining a healthy weight, staying physically active, eating plenty of fiber, avoiding smoking, limiting alcohol, and following recommended screening guidelines remain among the most effective ways to support colon health. The best way to enjoy cilantro. Fresh cilantro is incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle it over soups, mix it into salads, stir it into rice dishes, add it to homemade salsa, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a garnish for fish and chicken. But one of the easiest ways to enjoy cilantro every day is as a refreshing herbal tea. Simple cilantro tea recipe. Making cilantro tea at home is simple and inexpensive. Take one generous handful of fresh cilantro leaves and tender stems. Wash them thoroughly under running water. Bring 2 cups of water to a gentle boil and add the cilantro. If you like, add a small slice of fresh ginger for extra flavor. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow the tea to steep for another 5 minutes. Strain into a cup. Add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey if desired. Enjoy warm or chilled. Many people prefer drinking 1 cup in the morning or after a meal as part of a healthy daily routine. Final thoughts. Cilantro may be one of the most underrated herbs in the kitchen. It may help support healthy blood sugar, promote heart health, contribute to digestive wellness, provide antioxidants for healthy aging, and encourage nutritious home cooking. But perhaps its greatest benefit is much simpler. Cilantro helps make healthy meals delicious. When salads, vegetables, soups, beans, and wholesome dishes become more enjoyable, people are more likely to eat them regularly. Healthy aging rarely depends on one magical food. It comes from building simple habits over time. Eating more fresh herbs and vegetables. Staying active. Getting enough sleep. Managing stress. Drinking enough water. Preparing nutritious meals at home. Cilantro can become one small but flavorful part of that healthy lifestyle. And now we'd love to hear from you. Do you already use cilantro in your cooking, or are you planning to try this refreshing cilantro tea? Share your favorite way to enjoy cilantro in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical home cooking and healthy aging tips designed especially for adults over 50.